Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Project Motor Racing game, gamepad or controller not working issue on PC. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After restarting, check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update controller drivers. So for that, first you need to connect your PC and controller, and after that go to the Windows search for device manager. Here expand human interface devices, select your controller drivers, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check if there is any update available, and after updating your controller drivers, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under controller, you have to select enable Steam input and then check if it's working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check if it's working or not. If not, again come back, deselect all the selected and then move to the next solution. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, check if gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to check for game update. You must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game and check if it's working or not. So after going to Steam, here you will see an update option available if there is any update for the game. If yes, update it and then check if controller is working or not. If not, next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates and it will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now click on Bluetooth and devices and you will find your controller will be added here. First you have to remove it. For that, click on the three dot icon, then click on remove device. So this will remove your controller. After that, restart your PC and once your PC restarts, again come back, click on settings, then click on Bluetooth and devices. Now click on add device and from here you have to add your controller, and once done, check if controller is working or not. If not, next method is to launch Steam in big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam. Now here you can see big picture mode, click on it. Now after you enter big picture mode, you have to select your game. After selecting it, click on the play button and then check whether it's playing or not. If yes, now click on Steam option over here, then click on power and then select exit big picture mode. Once done, check if the issue is fixed or not. If not, then the final solution is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, you have to search for DS4 Windows tool in Google and open it, or simply go through the link that I have already provided in the description and open it in your browser. Now after the website opens, click on download option. This will direct you to the next page. From here you have to select and download the DS4 Windows tool. Now after you download the DS4 Windows tool, install it and then connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch the game and check if the error is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.